In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off download reels on Instagram. So if you upload varieties of reels on Instagram and you keep seeing your reels on other Instagram accounts without your permission, you can easily turn off this feature to stop people from downloading your Instagram reels. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off reels download on Instagram is open the Instagram application on your device. It could be Android and it could be iPhone. The process are similar. Then open the Instagram app. Once you open the Instagram application, go to your Instagram profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then on your Instagram profile page, locate the reels you want to turn off download on. So just scroll through your videos and then locate the reels. Once you locate the reels you want to disable download on, click on the three dot at the top right. Then scroll down and then tap turn off downloading. Then show support that says download disable on this route. To confirm this, just come here and click on three dots again. Then should say turn on downloading. So if I tap this, then this is going to turn on the feature to download the reels again. So you can use this feature to disable reels download and then to turn off reels download on your Instagram account. So this is the simplest way you can turn off reels download on your Instagram reels. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.